the mini Lambos, is going to win $10,000. What the heck? Today's challenge is gonna win that, so we have to wait for the video, which brings us to the video we're filming today, which is the last one to leave. The mini Lambos is going to win $10,000 inside that Team Roar money gun. We have these mini Lambos behind me that we customized in the last video with ZHC. The winner. No, what? This is for the winner on the $10,000. Wait, hang on, 10,000? Wait, Stove.
What?
Give me the rest.
No, I don't have any more.
Give it to me. Drop it. Drop.
Fuck it up. Stop. Okay. That's it. That's all of it. That's all.
Now we finally have 10,000.
I'm in.
All right, made it.
I'm in. Okay, this is mine.
All right, I guess I'm taking the fast green one.
No, you don't. That one's mine.
But Matt, I need it for the video. 10,000, I can split. Okay, Denise, this one's mine. Get out.
Wait, where am I supposed to go?
I hated this one. Hop on with Liz. Okay, everyone's in. $10,000. Here we go.
A little back heavy.
Oh man, this is gonna be easy.
Go Liz, gas.
And the challenge is off.
Hashtag Stove. You guys think I'm going to win today's challenge? I strongly believe I will. And I mean, look at this thing. Look how fast I'm going right now. Woo!
Stove, why is yours so small?
Mine's so small and tiny. Guys, I'm like cramped.
Out of the grass, Bailey.
Oh my gosh, my thing just does not want to go. Come on, there. Oh, it literally just goes and then it stops. I'm having the worst luck off the rip right now. About to lap Bailey, I'm coming in hot at 2.
I might be able to switch Lambos.
Whoa,
Oh, I didn't touch you. You hit me actually.
my arm.
That poor Lambo.
What do you mean?
It literally says hot girls on it, but like, where are the hot girls? Wow, your Lambo is so...
Boys.
For the boys! Yo guys, Bailey is full sending right now.
For the boys!
For the boys! Oh, we got a high-speed crash. I think Denise just fell off. Oh, she's so mad.
Oh no! Run! I'm gone! Reverse! Oh, my wheel fell off! Second wheel! Oh no!
Oh my gosh, Stove, what the heck? What the heck? Last 30 seconds. Stove.
So much just happened. Guys, look at that. What happened to my wheel, people? Oh, I just crashed into the bush. Stove's wheel fell off. Liz crashed into a bush. Oh no, I gotta get out of here.
Oh my gosh. I think I have.
So much cash if you beat me. But if I win, you owe me $1,000.
It's a deal.
Deal? Alright.
Bailey and I are racing for $1,000 cash. Racers, start your engine. Woo. The race starts here. We drive through the backyard, through the house.
Okay, so we got it. This is now our new Lambo. It's huge. Look, I can stretch out my legs and there's room for like more. You can fit like 4 people in here.
It's a big Lambo and I don't even know how.
Is that? Who is that?
No, Mom!
Forget the haters.
Stove! It's Stove! You stole my Lambo!
Get out of here, you stupid loser!
Stove, what are you doing? We got the Lambo winning! Yeah! I'm gonna win!
All right, Mr. Lambo.
We're here now and actually now that I'm a Lambo.
No grand prize anymore. Serves you right for stealing my Lambo without even asking. Bye, Stove. Eliminated, so sorry.
I am eliminated from this challenge now. I don't know what I was thinking. I can't believe I did get to drive a Lambo though, so there's one good thing, but I didn't get to win the.
This video has been insane and we have a couple of eliminations. Denise was the first one to get out, followed by Stove, who stole my Lambo, and there's only 3 people left, which is myself, Liz, and Bailey. And I'm trying to race Bailey now that I'm in this green Lambo, but it is on. I need to race Bailey because that thing looks fast, but I think this little mini green Lambo is even faster.
Yo, you ready?
Yeah, dude, I'm ready. I see that you've upgraded your Lambo into a motorcycle. So we did the race before for $1,000.
Of course I do.
All right, we're gonna do a race. Green Lambo versus green bike. Whoever wins, we're going for everything. This is for the elimination. If you lose, you're eliminated from the challenge and you can't win 10 grand.
You realize this is a Lambo bike.
A Lambo
It's
bike?
not just a bike.
Well, you realize this is a Lambo. It's on. Guys, this race is basically for $10,000. All right, Bailey, pull up. All right. Oh, okay. So the race starts here and we race all the way back. The first one to pass, Matt. You're sitting right there. Hey, that's not fair. Oh my God, you cheated. I'm coming. I'm coming.
Still got $1,000. I'm up today.
All right, well, I'm gonna win the 10,000.
Yeah, good luck.
I wonder what Liz is doing.
The boys are so dumb. I've been literally out here just chilling, taking in the rays of sun, and I'm pretty sure they're out there. Here!
Calling us like a dog, jeez.
Come on, come hither. Put that jump right here. Good job, boys.
Get a treat now. For a jump this big, he's gonna need a landing. Yeah, this is perfect.
One is even faster, so I'm trying to think of how to do this. And I'm technically not falling off. As long as I'm like jump onto this one, I can still put my feet down. Okay, I think that counts. I didn't fall off, like I'm still riding, I just transferred. And because it's got too sick, it's definitely faster. Bye-bye, mini green Lambo. Hello, sports bike. Let's see how it rips. Oh, here we go. Look at that! I'm back and faster than ever. I got the fit there.
Yeah.
No, I can for sure do that.
No, you can't.
Yeah, I can. I beat Bailey in a race and he got a head start. I can.
There's no way you can do this.
If I do it, then I win. And if I fall in the pool, then you win.
Okay. Sounds
Deal.
good.
Let's. Here we go. Woo! All right. 3, 2, 1, go!
The Tesla has two batteries. It's got the great big battery under the floor which powers the car. It also has here in the front, so via the electronics, keeps that battery charged. But when the big battery is fully charged, the charging system turns off. Battery, which is buried under here, which involves partly removing those two panels, taking this whole system to take water away if it gets under the bonnet. Hang on, I've got to prop it up with a piece of bit of battery. Now, unfortunately, I could see this end of the battery and I thought, I can go onto there and an earth point on the car. But actually, that's the earth terminal. I need charging the battery. When it comes back to life, the car hopefully will start operating again. What this needs is one of these charging port attached. I put these on all my motorcycles for exactly this reason, so that if they're parked up... Why is it making that noise? Run away!
Trip, and I'm just so happy with this thing. I'm so excited for you guys to see the videos on this car too. It is just so dang nice. These cars are just so underappreciated. I also wanted to take a moment and send my condolences to the Strat, man. You don't have your favorite person to celebrate these things with, and it feels really hollow and empty, and it takes a long time to get over that. I'm still not totally over it, but it does get better. Hang in there. We all love you. Full-time job, and speaking of full-time jobs, Lamborghinis.
Yes.
Let's go. My 2006 Murcielago belt squeak, not just the tensioner. You found some other things.
We got a brand new tensioner in and did not solve it.
Lamborghini ownership, as I said before with the Diablo, is patience. So probably another week for the right pulley and then to put it back together. And if this were a Corvette, it would be fixed, well, weeks ago.
Yeah, it would have been.
It would have never been broken in the first place. But Lamborghinis, you have to have... It has all of its chrome back on. Looks like a Fleetwood Brougham again. Waiting on a headliner, some tires, and air conditioning, right?
Air conditioning is fixed. It's
Oh,
done.
new compressor.
Yeah, the old one sounded like a gun going off. It was It's tube, receiver dryer, flush bowl system, new compressor, and it's ice cold now.
So we're very close.
We're getting really close on this one.
Nice. Okay. Well, Corvette I am very excited about because, well, it wasn't exciting that the engine was bad when I bought this thing, but it had been videos where they start a car after 30 years. The engines sound bad and they stay sounding bad. So what I have in here is supposedly the correct engine for this Corvette. I didn't go with a modern crate motor. I wanted something that would be just like the original, even though it has a nice modern trim.
It works.
Okay.
Just don't pull it. There you go.
I'm getting the hang of it.
There we go.
Most work I've done in a little while. And just a drop-in motor.
Excellent.
Very easy on the labor side of things, hopefully.
Yeah, it definitely won't be as hard as some EFI computer controlled. It'll just be swap. Just swap it right over.
Wonderful, because it was quite expensive. $8,000.
It was engine oil.
Ah, well, it wasn't like that before. That was after my last drive, I suppose. I really cooked it good.
Yeah.
So it's dead.
You cooked the goose on this one.
And let's just make sure, we already kind of made sure, but I want to verify. It's your religion to have a bill for less than $1,000.
Oh, I have quite a few that are less than that.
Well,
It happens once in a while.
it's a lot of work putting that thing back together, fixing my wood, getting it straight again when it was all limp, and lots of other things to fix. Well, I'll pay you and be on my way.
Sounds good to me.
Be on my way. I can talk. I promise I can talk. Just the camera turns on and I can't talk. Well, I just got off the highway that's by my old house, and really last time I drove this thing any distance, I was at the old Hoovy. Well, go shopping, I suppose. And spit myself into the same hole that, well, happened last year. It just never fails. Look at this plaid. It's crazy. Thank you for watching. And also be sure to search Auto Tempest. Go down, click the link below, search. Really, I hope you've gone. Have you gone yet? Please, just go down there.
Caddy right here.
Clean.
Yeah. I never liked the cars where the back half was like this. They got some bubbles like that too.
With the skirt?
Without it though. Some don't got it. Just cover it up.
I like it without it.
Catch you in a minute. I'm going to the club house. Yes, sir. Royalty. CJ. Perfect car for royalty right here. CJ did tell me he want to buy this car for royalty. It's a perfect car.
Shit make you mad, right?
Yeah.
Shit make you mad, you know what I'm saying? So I ain't noticed until I got to work today, but like somebody like carved like the little knife through my YouTube name and shit. So
Dang.
I don't know if y'all.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Tough car.
But you know, I look at my car every day when I look. You know,
Right.
when you like your shit, you gonna look at it. You know what I'm saying? So I noticed that today when I looked at it. So.
Y'all see what's going on, man. Both red things out here.
Man, that motherfucker. That,
Slow part and big old. Go up to him when you walk up to the SCATPACK, you be like, man, this color right here.
Yeah.
You take out the C8 after not driving it, it's the C8. I ain't never changed the number one, the Lambo number one for me, period. Like there's nothing in my fleet that can change my mind. That's the whole nother level. How many more left? Like 8 more cars left. So I can actually do a top 10. I might have to do that video. CJL32 top 10. It is dope because I can do all my cars. Yeah. You done went from sleep to watching Pornhub in the shop. You on the clock, boy. You better say that before you get to the crib, man. Hey, get your mans. We in the SS, man. Y'all know what's going down. We got AB in the building.
Yes.
We about to take a quick ride, let them feel what a real muscle car feel like. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh shit,
You put AB life in danger, but not yours. You the only one with a helmet on, CJ.
Hey,
yeah,
this dude cap.